Salam Namaste. Welcome back to our channel Mummy and Me. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ പ്ലീസ് 2 സെക്കൻഡ് ടൈം എടുത്തിട്ട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അപ്പോൾ കാണണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെൽ ഐക്കോൺ കൂടി അമർത്തുക. Now, without any further ado, let's get started.
Hello people, how are you all? I hope I'm doing good and fine. So firstly, I wish everybody a very happy Navratri. May Mataji shower all her blessings upon us and let this COVID and all get in control so we can finally just go play Garba without any restrictions. Now secondly, I apologize because we apologize because we couldn't upload videos for 2 weeks. The reason behind that is my nani actually got she wasn't feeling well, so my mom had to travel to Kerala ASAP. So yeah, that's why we couldn't upload any video. So I was in Mumbai and mom fatafat went to Kerala and limped out all stuffs and she came back, and after she came back we decided to decently shoot something really healthy and something healthy actually. So we're gonna make ragi ka uttappa, and for the people who don't know what uttappa is, it's like this dosa ka thing, and then we put veggies on top of that. The veggies can be of your choice, like completely of your choice.
Alright, so here's the first step. What we're gonna do is we have taken thoda sa ragi ka atta that you'll get in your kirana ka dukan or anywhere, and nicely we gotta mix it, and that too with water. And after that, what we're gonna do is into this ragi ka mixture we'll be adding little bit of salt, one half teaspoon of salt, and again we're gonna nicely mix it. Now what we got to do is after adding the salt we got to dhire add water into this and make it like a dosa ka batter, like a dosa ka batter, and nicely check whether there are no lumps, and the consistency should be somewhat like this. And moving on to the ingredients, what we need for our ragi uttappam. Firstly, we'll need finely chopped carrots, and secondly, we'll need tomatoes, which is which adds tanginess into the uttappam, and we need some finely chopped hari mirch, and last but not least, we need some finely chopped onions. And now let's go and start. Okay, so now we put the batter, dosa ka batter, अपना pan पे, dosa pan पे, and same way how we make dosa, the same way. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our veggies we kept aside. We're gonna put that. We put carrots, green chili, tomatoes, onions, and also for the crispiness, for the crispy texture, you can use oil, coconut oil or ghee, whatever it's your choice. And yes, that is our uttappa, and just let it cook for a while, maybe 2 minutes or something, and that will be our uttappa.
Alrighty, you people, our ragi dosa is all ready to eat and all ready to serve. So I can't taste it because my Navratri ka fasting is going on, but it is super amazing. It looks delicious. So yes, my mom tasted it and she's like, oh, more, it's amazing. Okay, so yeah, that is the thing. And secondly, what you can do is, what you can serve this uttappa with is you can serve it with chutney, tomato chutney, green chutney, white chutney, or if you don't like chutneys, or you're more into like those dry chutney types, you can either make eat this with gunpowder. Nothing illegal, it's just a sort of chutney powder. It's just the Vijitra name, gunpowder. So yeah, that gunpowder you can eat, or you can eat with another chutney powder, whatever you like. It's completely upon you. And yes, the children out there who don't like any of these, like me, I don't eat chutney, I don't eat anything with my uttapam. All I eat with my uttapam is ketchup, tomato ketchup, for life, bro, for life. I love it. So yes, you can eat this with tomato ketchup. Yeah, that is that. And I guess we're done for today's video. So thank you so much for making till the end of the video. And yes, we will try to be consistent and upload videos regularly with new healthy recipes. So till then, take care of yourselves and your loved ones. Until we meet next time. Hasta la vista. Also, yeah, do make sure that you like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.